Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Hello Hollyhocks kit. This kit helps you make 9 beautiful floral cards. With pre-cut die cuts and printed sentiments in English, French, and German, this kit has everything you need to send a happy hello or note of gratitude. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. Such happy cards! If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!